Welcome to this video. If you are looking for a guaranteed and easy way to get 50 free followers every day on social media platforms, then you are in the right place. Complete the video until the end. I have a surprise for you. Check out these results. I use this method daily and get real followers without paying any money or fake programs.
All you have to do is go to this site, followersfree.site, and choose the TikTok section. A list of sites that offer free followers will appear. Choose the first site, which has many advantages and gifts up to 1,000 followers.
We're going to try the first package now. Enter the required information: your username, your email, your country, then click Continue to Verification, then click Verify Account. Your account will be verified automatically. Then the last step will appear, which is collecting followers. It is very easy and simple. This page will appear. You have to complete 2 tasks to collect 50 followers. Read what you need to complete here. Each country has its own tasks. After clicking on it, click on Complete, then complete a task, such as this task is to complete a survey. Complete it until the end, then you will be returned to complete the second task. After that, complete the second task and what is required of it.
As I promised, I will be doing a free giveaway for my followers. We will have a giveaway for 5 winners, and each one will receive 50 followers. The way to participate is very easy. Like this video, write a comment under the video with your username. I will collect all comments and do a random draw. The draw will be after 5 days. Don't forget to activate the bell button so you don't miss the announcement of the winners. Good luck to everyone!